NG-CHM is the MD Anderson Next Generation Clustered Heat Map that allows dynamic clustering, visualization, and link out of heat maps. For more details on how to use the Galaxy Bioinformatics platform, see their introductory videos at wiki.galaxyproject.org/learn. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install both the NG-CHM generator tool and its visualization component into Galaxy from the Galaxy Toolshed. First, you must log into Galaxy with an administrator privilege user ID. That is required to access the admin section in the top black toolbar. The admin section will not appear if you are not logged in as an admin. Click on admin. Now you will see along the left-hand side the Search Toolshed hyperlink. Click on it and that takes you to the Master Galaxy Toolshed. Select Browse Valid Repositories. Then go to the search area at the top and enter Heat Map. This will take you to the NG-CHM generator repository. Click on the name Heat Map Creation and then select Preview and Install. It's okay if the version numbers are different. Then in the upper right, select Install to Galaxy. You can enter a new section panel under Add a New Tool Panel section, or select an existing panel section under the Select Existing Tool Panel section. This is where the NG-CHM generator tool will reside. Then click Install. Now the tool is installed. However, there are manual steps required to install the visualization component that allows viewing the NG-CHM generator's heat map output. You will need to run the following commands in the terminal mode. These three commands and additional information are all available in the description section of the NG-CHM Heatmap Galaxy Toolshed repository page. I'm showing these steps assuming Galaxy is installed in Galaxy Central. You may need to adjust this path for your installation. Then you must restart Galaxy for the visualization portion to take effect. Remember, you must be logged in to be able to see the heatmap visualization component icon. The NG-CHM generator will run even if you are not logged into Galaxy. Once you are logged back into Galaxy, click on Analyze Data, then click on the Heat Map Creation category. The NG-CHM generator hyperlink will appear. Click on it and then the tool options will be visible. The first step to creating a heat map is to import the data matrix file. One easy way to do this is to click the Import button at the top of the Tools panel. Once the next dialog box opens, you can choose how you would like to import your data matrix file. Once you've picked the file you want to import, click Start and then Close. Now you will see the imported file show up on the right side of the screen in your history. While the file is yellow, it is still importing and will turn green when it is ready to be used. To use the NG-CHM, your file must be a text data matrix file that is tab delimited with row 1 containing column labels and the first column containing row labels. In this example, the columns are patient samples, the rows are genes, and the numerical matrix values represent gene expression. Next, you want to click on the Heat Map Generation link and under that menu, select the MDA Heat Map Generation tool. Now select the data matrix file, name that heat map, and optionally provide a description for the heat map. Different ways to cluster the heat map can be selected in the tool drop-down menus. In a subsequent video, we will go over these in more detail and explain covariate bars. Now click Execute and your generated heat map will show up on the right side in your history. Once the heat map generation step turns green, it is ready to be viewed. Click on your heat map and from that drop-down, select the bar graph item that says Visualize NG-CHM Heat Map. In the center section, you now have a dynamic interactive heat map of your data to explore. You can select portions of the heat map to examine in detail, pan, zoom, and search. Please see our NG-CHM Heat Map Navigation Basics video to see the many dynamic capabilities of the NG-CHM Heat Map Viewer.